Hey guys, welcome back to another update on my Minoxidil beard journey. This is day 203. It's 29 weeks now that I've been using Minoxidil on my face trying to grow a better beard. So this past week I've actually been really consistent as far as applying Minoxidil goes. Dermarolling, not so much, I forgot again, but I am planning to do it after I make this video here in probably another hour or so after I get this edited and uploaded. You can definitely tell I'm shedding if you look at this picture from August. Now this is when I was about 3.5 months in. Compare that to this photo that I took today, and I am a little past 6 months in now. You can see the difference, so definitely in a shedding phase. Hopefully I get back out of that soon. I may grow it out a little bit and keep it trimmed at a number 1 again like I did in the beginning, and I think maybe if I do, it will fill in just a little bit just because those vellus will be able to catch up to the rest of my terminal hairs. I've only been using foam lately. I still have another 2.5 bottles of liquid, but I don't remember why I stopped using it, but I forgot I had it, so I'm probably going to go back to using once liquid and once foam per day if I can get back consistent on my applications. So thank you for watching this video and for your continued support on my Minoxidil beard journey, for checking in every week with me to see my progress. So far I've been doing this for about 6 months and have gone from very patchy to pretty full and now patchy again with the shedding. But thanks so much, and I'll see you next week.